So you may have just picked up your Google Pixel Buds 2a, and you're trying to figure out exactly how to use these particular headphones. Now luckily for you, it's a very basic process. These are awesome headphones to basically use, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use these headphones. Now on the exterior of your Pixel Buds 2a, you have your standard type of casing. You have an LED light on the front side. On the bottom, you have a charging port, which we'll get into in a second. You don't have anything else going on the sides of these particular headphones. On the back side, you do get a pairing button, which will allow you to go and pair up your headphones up to other devices, which we'll also get into. Now, before you get too deep with your Pixel Buds 2a's, you probably want to know how to charge up these particular headphones. Now, you have a couple different ways. You can either wirelessly charge up your headphones. It's pretty easy. You just slap them onto a wireless charger, and they'll go ahead and start charging. Or what you can also do is you can just go ahead and plug these things in with a standard USB Type-C charger. So you can go through and grab a standard USB Type-C charger like this, and what you can do is you can go ahead and slide it in right inside of this particular port. When you do that, these headphones will go ahead and just start charging up, and that is basically all you're really going to have to do. Your Pixel Buds 2a will start charging, and you can also just set them there and then they'll start charging. Your headphones, these things charge while they're in the case. So when they're plugged into the case here, they'll charge. You don't have to do anything else super crazy. Now flipping these things open like this, you'll basically get into your headphones. Now your headphones at the very top are really nice. You take them out like this and you can put them into your ear holes just right here. These are interchangeable tips. So if you want to ever change out your tips on your Google Pixel Buds 2a, these are also very easy. All you have to do is just slide these things out, and you can do that by just kind of taking these things out and kind of putting them inverse. And then you can just kind of lift them out of the case. They're kind of like attached onto the sides. So you don't want to pull them out like this. You kind of want to kind of put them to the side like this and kind of take them out that way. Attaching them is basically the same thing too. You kind of put them into one side and they'll kind of click into the other side just like this. So kind of go one side at a time. When you take them out, kind of go one side, take them out. And when you're putting them back in, take them in one side first and then click it into the other space. Then you can just kind of unravel the outside of this right inside of that. And then you'll have your standard headphones. Now, like I said, you can plug them into your ear. You do have buttons on the side so you can double tap on them to play a song, skip a song, all these things. You have a little speaker, microphone associated with these two as well. So it's really, really easy headphones to kind of understand. Now, if you want to ever pair them up to your device, it's very easy. So putting them into pairing mode in the first place, it's going to be a pretty standard process. So to put them in pairing mode, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically make sure these two headphones are in their particular, cases. And then what you can do is you can kind of flip to the back side of your case and you will see this particular button. If you just hold down on this button right here, it will go ahead and start putting them into pairing mode like this, and you will see this light start blinking. So that's basically all you're going to have to do. You can hold down on the button on the back side, and then you can start blinking onto your particular button like this, and the lights will start blinking. So if you ever want to take them out of pairing mode, just close the case, and the case will start, will stop blinking, and it will just go and take them out of pairing mode. If you want to put it back into pairing mode, flip open the case, hold down the button on the back side, and it will flip them into pairing mode. Now, if you actually want to go through and pair them up to a particular device like an iPhone or Android, this is a very easy process. So what you can do on an iPhone or Android, if you want to pair up your Google Pixel Buds 2a's to that iPhone or Android device, all you have to do is find that particular device. So in this case, I have a couple of devices. I have an Android phone, I have a Samsung Galaxy phone right here. If I kind of bring my my Google Pixel Buds 2a close to my Android phone, sometimes there could be a pop-up. If not, make your way over into your settings application, hop over into your connections, go into Bluetooth connections right up here, and you should be able to find your Pixel Buds 2a's come up right over here, and you can go ahead and tap onto those headphones and they'll sync up. The same exact thing goes for iPhones. If you have an iPhone, you can also just go back up, find your particular Bluetooth settings like this, and you'll be able to go through and basically find your Bluetooth connection settings. And then you can go through and find these headphones right over there at the bottom, And once you sync them up, you'll basically be good to go. And you can also just tap onto them and they'll be connected. So it's a very basic process, doesn't really take too much time. And after they're connected, you'll then be able to listen to all the songs from your Google Pixel Buds 2As. So it's a super basic process. These are very, very good headphones to use, but that is essentially how you use your Google Pixel Buds 2As. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.